Hello, I'm Alan Newberry, and today I'm going to show you kind of the quick and dirty version of how I make a chicken sandwich pizza. First, I start off with a nice pizza dough. I make it myself. It's kind of a white bread type recipe, sourdough. And then your chicken dipping sauce of choice, in this case, a Chick-fil-a sauce knockoff. And so you get that spread around there real nice until you got it everywhere. And then, of course, whole milk mozzarella cheese in generous quantities, and then some southern style chicken. You can use stuff from the actual restaurants or do something that you make up at home, and then get a nice amount of that. And then we've got one more ingredient, and that is pickles, because pickles are a major part of chicken sandwiches these days. And here we have the final pizza before going into the oven. And then, well, I think the rest of it will speak for itself.
That's real good.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was actually very tasty. I recommend giving it a shot. However you like to make pizza, just kind of adapt it to your methods. And thanks for watching.